Okay, so I want this one to be fast because I want it to be one basic idea, okay? So what is E? E is the mathematical constant that's irrational and transcendental, meaning if humans never existed on the surface of the earth, E still would be here. Same way with pi. If there were never a human being alive, no one could even argue that humans created pi. Pi is clearly something that we discovered exists in the natural world, well out of our hands. Every single circle in creation, if you divide its circumference by its diameter, you get pi. E is a similar idea, a transcendental number, a number that pops up in nature all the time when things are growing and when things are decaying or dying or fading away. It allows you to do continuous growth or continuous decay. What I mean by that is so far always we've been looking at these ideas like uh, uh, this bacteria doubles every 10 minutes. How much bacteria would you have over the course of 3 hours? Okay, so 10 minutes, double. There's another 10-minute increment, double, double, double. Okay, but that's not really the way nature works, is it? The bacteria doesn't wait with a stopwatch until 10 minutes goes by. Oh, it's time, everybody. Okay, everybody double. Boom. We just doubled. Okay, set the stopwatch again. Tick, 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 tick. Wait for 10 minutes to pass by. Okay, everybody double again. That's our mathematical simplification of it in order to introduce the idea of exponential growth and decay to students like you. Not in any kind of negative manner. I'm not trying to put anybody down, but it's like it's a stepping stone. It's a building block, okay? That's the first way to look at it. But in reality, in nature, the growth is constant. It's continual. There's no it's like this idea between a discrete object, which is one thing that stands alone, and then another thing over here that's apart from it, or a continuous flow, which is what we actually see. So we see bacteria growing using a continuous approach. That's why E is important. And that's why we can make a function with E that's called the natural exponential function. Wow! This is one that we use to model continuous growth and decay. That's pretty cool. We're going to look at it more closely as time goes by, but E, the transcendental number, the fabulous, famous, notorious E